Welcome back to RockCrawlinJeeps. We just finished up on removing Zach's axles. If you haven't checked that video out, I'll put it up there in the corner. Anyway, we're going to do a quick mod on mine this afternoon. I hope it's quick at least. To be honest, the audio in my Wrangler is just terrible. Not that it's the greatest anyway, because it's open top and all that, but I only had 2 speakers. Years ago, I put a full roll cage in, and yeah, tied to the frame, all that. But in doing so, we had to remove the soundbar. I went and picked up the pod speakers. I think they're from the 03 to 06 Wranglers. The wiring was different. I bought my scrambler. This got, shelved in the yard, so never finished it. Brought this soundbar out with me to Utah here, and I want good music again. So we're gonna take a look and see if we can get that soundbar in today. I also picked up a set of brackets from Nailin Manufacturing. They convert the front speakers from 4x6 to 5 1/4, a little better sound, performance. So we're gonna knock that out as well. So let's get the top down and get working.
Now that we're playing jungle gym on the top of a TJ, I got my paint marker. We're not gonna do anything too crazy calculated on this. It's pretty simple. So we're just gonna mark right there and mark right there, and we'll connect those, but we'll connect them on the underside. This is just to let us know where we need to clearance out the inside of this. So it can bolt in. And we'll have to open this stuff up a little bit. We'll probably hit it a few times, but that's the basic gist of what we're gonna need to set this in and have a functioning soundbar with a roll cage that'll actually take a roll. We have all this foam, and I don't want to just throw it away, so we're actually using this as part of our cut guide. So we're just gonna slice through it, and then we'll pull it off so we can save it, hopefully. It might not all get saved, but I'll try and save a fair amount of it.
And that'll help with sound deadening and vibration with the speakers.
So if we can save most of it, which I think we will be, it should go pretty easy. And what I'm going to do is, we're not getting super technical with this. Literally, I'm making these cuts. We're going to set it in and then see if these line up with our marks. We'll open it up a little bit if we need to. Then we're just going to cut that right out of there with a cutoff wheel. Set it in. We'll foam line it so it doesn't rattle. Then we're gonna put some fresh speakers in it and be done.
All right, guys. Zach made the marks for me, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this cut. As always, thanks WTD. Keep my hands safe, and good pair of safety glasses is what you need to get this done. But we'll make a test cut. Go fit it, and if need be, we'll make a couple small adjustments to it. So I'm gonna get started. Right, as I need power.
Hit the switch.
Oh, yeah. Small setback.
We got our cuts made. We widened them out. We made everything work. Cut off wheel and a flap wheel to clean everything up. Now we've got it fitted pretty well. We've got our cover tucked in, but the cover doesn't allow us to go as far as we need to go. That's where an old handy dandy razor blade comes in. This may be sacrilege to some of you guys that want like perfect interiors, but it's a rock crawler. So now we don't want to go so far in that we hit the stitching. So we are going to cut it just like this without going in too far. So we'll stop there on the zippers. That should give us just about everything we need. Perfect. Let's go see if it fits. Got our modifications done. Test fitted it. Everything's great. While we're here, we're going to put some new speakers in. So went ahead, just trimmed up the wires, cleaned everything up, and now we're just going to finish it up with a little bit of heat. I love these weatherproof crimps. They are fantastic. Great for the Jeep world and things like that. Keeps the water out, keeps corrosion out, and also helps to keep the wires from being able to ever pull out if there was an issue. They're not made for like structural use, but they definitely help.
Alright guys, we're all finished up for today. It's getting early evening and someone wants to quit, so we're gonna call it.
Somebody has a very busy Monday, and I don't have the connectors that we need to fix this thing. So we have some connector issues right here. We're gonna repin that into a new plug, and we don't have it.
But either way, we made good progress today. We mocked it up. It fits on the roll cage. Got the new Kenwood speakers installed. Just temporarily, I'm gonna recover it again. The cover works great with it, but that was good progress for today in getting sound and a overhead light for the first time in 5+ years in the Wrangler. So I'm very happy with today's progress. As always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. If you want to see more content, shoot us a DM, and we'll see what we can do to accommodate it. If there's projects you'd like to see, or maybe some tips and tricks in the garage, let us know. We're always looking for that, but we'll see you next time.
No. If you want to see a 1-ton TJ, pester him in the comments. Because
we'll see.
1 ton, Dana 30.
It's actually no ton, but they're getting there.
They're on the trailer. They're literally right there. So
we'll see you next time.